They say into your eyes, romance can.
Okay, that's a quick teaser video, guys. We got a little bit of heat into the tires this morning. I tried to get a better 0 to 60 for you. I think we got a better 0 to 60. I think that's a much better 0 to 120. All we've done is added the HKS spark plugs. I told everyone I was going to get a video up of a 0 to 120 pull with the HKS plugs. We got that pull just done today. So the parts on the car, the front mount intercooler, the torque intakes, the ported secondary cat deletes, muffler deletes, HKS plugs, and we do have the plug and play chip in the car set at 91 octane. Again, this is 91 octane with all those parts. We're running 92 octane in the tank right now. I hope you guys are excited to see what this thing does in the quarter mile. We are going to try some testing with the 93 octane tune when we get there.